Hello, what's up y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna. In this video, I am going to be installing this lovely 99J hair that you see here that I got from UNice. This is a 24-inch body wave 99J frontal wig. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, of course. So if you want to see my struggles, I'm just kidding. If you want to see me install this hair, then you got to keep on watching. So this is what the wig looks like out of the box. The reason why it looks like this is because I bleached the knots and then I had to wash it, so it looks a little washed. Look what I did to this frontal, y'all. I accidentally overplucked it and now I have a little bald spot in the middle. But this is how the construction of the wig is. Of course, it has the combs on the sides. Ignore the bleach stains in the middle. And then it also comes with this really cool elastic band, which is super handy and keeps the wig on my head, as well as the combs underneath and then the comb at the back. So I already have my wig cap installed, as you can see here. So now I'm just sliding the wig on my head and adjusting the combs to make sure it fits properly. And now I'm going to cut off the excess lace on the sides. I like to cut off my sideburns first. The sideburns, yeah, like this, the sideburns first, the lace on the side, because it helps me make sure that the wig fits as good as possible, if that makes sense, just to make sure it fits snug on my head. Now I'm ready to put on the glue. I did wind up using 2 layers of glue, 2 to 3 layers, but I didn't show all of that here. But I'm just using my finger as a mark of demarcation, kind of just so I can follow along to see where I'm going to put the glue at. I'm using the glue from Wig Dealer. Of course, this is my favorite glue. And I'm just putting a whole bunch of little dots on my forehead, and I am going to blend it in and blow dry it. Now I'm just going to pull the frontal down and melt it into the glue. But looking at it, how it looks right here, it really looks like I could have plucked a little more of this frontal because it's looking kind of thick. But it's like I had that one bald spot. After I like overplucked and got that bald spot in the middle, I stopped plucking completely. I was like, well, okay, I'm done. But I probably should have kept going on the sides, just to give it more of that, that streamless hairline look, because right now it's looking a little thick. But I did wind up working it out on the end, but I definitely could have plucked a lot more. This hairline, the hair itself is super thick, so you may have to do a lot of plucking. Y'all, so I suck at cutting off lace, so I really just fast forwarded through this part. You don't need to see all this. But after I'm done cutting off the lace, next I'm going to go behind the hairline and use some of my Got2b Free spray and just spray a little bit behind the hairline just so it can add some extra security. I don't know if that really works, but I don't know. I just felt like there's an extra step that was necessary. Y'all, this wax stick and this free spray combination works wonders when it comes to straightening or flattening out the top of your hair. Can you believe I just found out about this like a couple months ago? Don't talk about me, y'all. I've been struggling. But anyways, now I'm just going through and just, like I said, flattening out my hair at the top because it's very lumpy, as you can see, and I like a nice flat look. I need some more free spray because I am clearly running out. Okay, now that that's done, now I'm plucking out my part to make it a little bit wider because as you can see here, it's super narrow. A wider part to me looks a little bit more natural and it looks a lot better. Then after I'm done with that, I'm going to do my baby hairs. I bought a new flat iron for my baby hairs, which I'm so excited. You'll see it in a little bit. It's super, super thin. The other one I used was a little bit thicker. Yeah, and this actually made a big difference when it came to the baby hairs on the wig. So, I live and learn. Like I said, I am not a professional. I just do what I can from the comforts of my own home to save some coin. I'm just learning, every single day. But yeah, so I'm curling my baby hairs and now I'm gonna lay it down. I laid it down this time with gel. I didn't use foam or anything, and I like the gel a lot better. This is just the regular black eco style gel, and it works really good. I love it. So now you're gonna see me flat iron this hair, but I do go through and curl this hair a little bit later on. So if you just want to see what it looks like curled, you can skip towards the end. I personally prefer this hair straight. To me, when I curl it, it just gives wig. Like it's cute when it's curled, I guess, but I don't know. When it's straight to me, it just looks a little. I don't know if it looks natural. Can wigs look natural? I mean, they can, but then they can't. I don't know. I like it better when it's straight. It just looks better straight to me. So I just put a little bit of what was that? I forget the name of that clear stuff that you put on your hair. Oh my god. Bio Silk, cheese and crackers. Bio Silk. I put on there. And I actually liked the Bio Silk. Usually I would be afraid to put Bio Silk on hair because I feel like it would make it greasy. Even though it doesn't make my natural hair greasy, I feel like wigs are like a different texture, but it didn't, and it actually came out really well, and it helped me flat iron the hair a lot better. So yeah, this is what it looks like flat iron, and now I'm gonna cut to what it looks like curly, just so you can get an idea of what that's like. So it is another day. Don't mind me because I just been at the house all day. That's why my hair looks like this. I'm just gonna curl this hair really quickly for you all so you can see what it looks like curled. This curling iron is from Hot Tools Professionals because I always get a lot of questions on this curling iron. It's from Hot Tools. I got it from either Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I think Marshalls actually, but I mean they carry the same products. I'm sure they may still have this on their website. You can check online. You can Google Hot Tools or whatever. You may find it in Marshalls and TJ Maxx, honestly. But it's a 1-inch barrel, I think. Yeah, either a 1-inch or a 1.5-inch. It's pretty big though. Sorry. I think it's a 1.5-inch barrel. But the only thing that I'm doing now is I'm just taking little sections of my hair, wrapping it around the barrel, and using it kind of like a large wand, even though it is like a fully functioning curling iron. I don't know why I don't use the clamp. I just think it's quicker this way that I'm doing. I don't have time to be messing with nobody clamp. So here we are. But what I like about this curling iron is that it goes up to 450 degrees, so it gets really hot, and I can curl my hair pretty quickly with it. I'm just trying to put a soft body wave in it. I'm not trying to put nothing crazy. If you wanted tighter curls, you can leave it on here longer, but I just want to do a little sun, just a little something, just a little something. Okay, this is what it looks like curly. Ooh, big voluminous curls. So cute. Oh my goodness. I don't know why I don't be curling the back of my hair, y'all. Don't judge me. I do what I can. You get the point. If I was going somewhere, I probably wouldn't curl the back anyway. Sorry. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, you are a rock star. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment section because I like talking to y'all. But anyways, thanks so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.